Hi guys! So today, we're gonna unbox. Dumating na po yung aking box from LYKA Mall. Umorder ako ng air purifier and ionizer in one. So, let's start unboxing. Look at this, oh. Delivered in 2 to 3 days. Para ka nagbumukas ng regalo. Pero ikaw nang bumili. Di ba? Ito yung cherry ionizer. And look. May thank you note pa sila. Thank you. LYKA. Gagamitin ko to sa aking room. Itong ionizer na to is good for 30 square meters na room. I-purify niya yung hangin and at the same time mag-release siya ng humidifier kasi pwede mo siya lagyan ng water. Tapos yung ions nito up to 17 million. Yeah, 170 million ions, negative ions. So, parang hinihila niya yung mga particles ng air pababa. So, mawawala yung mga allergens, mga bacteria, pathogens. So, this will make my room really healthy. Ito na yung nasa loob. So, meron siyang plug. Meron siyang menu. Then, ito na siya. Yeah. It's as big as my tummy. Soft touch siya, oh. So, subukan natin. So, guys, come here and look at this. So, on this side, nandito yung tawag dyan, where you connect the plug. Okay, so easy. And then you plug it to your socket. There. Yan, and activate na. So, touch lang. Touch the power button now. It's in the medium level. So, wind speed, pwede mo lakasan. Yan. So ngayon, ito yung nag-release siya. Yung ions, naglalabas siya ng negative ions ngayon. And nagpo-purify din siya. Meron kasi siyang filter sa likod na pwede mo palitan na every 6 months. Yan. Subukan natin yung may water. Lagyan ko ng water. Ito yung tank. Yan, tank. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Talagang drinking water ko yung ginamit ko. Ang dami tubig, ha? Oh my gosh. Okay. Now that we have the water inside, let's try the humidify. Ay, hindi pa na-touch. Na-sense na niya. Yan, may usok na siya. So that's Cherry's ionizer with air purifier and humidifier. Will help you sleep better and moisturize your skin while you're sleeping. Ano pa ba? It cleanses the air, basically. So that's it.